There are quite a number of bees here, as you can see in this video. In each of these red flowers, there is at least 2 or 3 bees. As you can see, they are looking for nectar, and because of the brightness of the flowers, it has attracted these bees from I don't know where, but for some time now they've been here, and one of them is flying. So I'm just going to hold one of these flowers close so that I can give you a closer look. I've had to hold the flower close. Here they are. You see the way they are sucking the nectar? You see the 2, there's another one there. There are quite a number in this flower. There's one here almost touching my hand. There are quite a number. And they look really beautiful. There are some which are flying. This one here. There's one closer to my hand. Quite a number of them closer to my hand. And quite a number flying around, some over my head. This branch that I'm holding, they are about 5. Don't know whether you can see them. Actually, they are really friendly. So long as you don't disturb it, they don't bite if you don't disturb. There are others in this other flower. You can see quite a number flying over my head, my face. Another one here. There are quite a number here. This one here, looking for nectar to make honey. There are quite a number of them here. This one that was flying was already finding a flower to suck nectar from. Then up here there are others. Let me just try to trace them. Oh, where is that flower? Here. There are quite a number here. Let's see if they are not visible. There they are. And some are flying up. Let's go back to this leaf that I had held. Let me hold it close again. Quite a number flying over my head. And up there also we got quite a number of flowers. They are almost touching the ground. You can see there are about 3 of them there. Zoom it close. You can see the seeds. These are the seeds. You can see these are the seeds of this tree. These are the green ones. These are the almost matured ones. These ones will flower soon. These ones, they are going to flower soon. But these ones have already dropped their flowers, and the seeds are now ready for harvest. You can harvest them dry, and then you can use them to plant more trees. So they have several stages. These ones, they form like this before they flower, and after some time they are going to flower. If you can see, they are almost opening up, and when they flower, they'll form flowers. So as they form flowers like this, now they will grow, and then they'll drop their flowers, after which they will mature like this. You can see the upper ones are matured, the lower ones have already formed flowers, and we have another batch like this which are almost flowering. So they form like this first before they flower, then they flower, and after flowering they now mature and have seeds like those ones. Bright birds are coming back. You can see them, they've perched on the fence. Let's try to call them. You see they can hear? There are quite a number in this leaf that I'm holding. I've had to hold the leaf so that can be visible after zooming. Yeah, there they are. 1, 2, 3. There are quite a number, some flying around. They are looking for nectar. I spotted a bee. It has disappeared. I spotted a bee.